Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show you how to replace a Nissan Murano door handle. First, let's gather our essential tools. You will need a flathead screwdriver, a Phillips head screwdriver, and a 10mm socket. Additionally, a star bit, likely a T30 or T40, is crucial for the door lock cylinder. A plastic trim removal tool is highly recommended to protect your vehicle's interior. Finally, have your new replacement door handle and a fresh gasket ready. Now, let's begin by carefully disassembling the door panel. You will find about 5 screws holding the interior door panel and its covers in place. After removing these, gently pry the door panel away from the door frame. It is secured by several plastic clips, so take your time to avoid breakage. Disconnect the interior latch release handle and any electrical connectors before setting the panel safely aside. With the door panel removed, we can now focus on detaching the old exterior handle. First, locate and remove the small plastic cap on the back edge of the door. Behind it, you will find a star bit screw. Loosen this screw, but note that it typically does not come out entirely. Once loose, gently wiggle the lock cylinder free. Then, pull the handle towards the back of the car and outward. The old handle should now be free for removal. To install your new handle, begin by inserting the front portion into its slot, then press the back of the handle firmly into place until it clicks. Reinstall the lock cylinder and securely tighten the star bit screw. Next, reconnect all electrical harnesses and the interior latch release handle. Finally, carefully align the door panel, reattach it using its plastic clips, and secure it with all 5 screws. Test the new handle to ensure proper function.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.